How do we start?
I don't know.
Your
Crazy love, you put in my heart. Huwag mong i-video. Loko-loko sa... Siya mo na to. Lakas ang bawo ng utot nyo.
Lumusot ka pa.
Ako kaya, hindi naman ako yung... Ikaw yun.
Ikaw.
As I was saying.
As I was saying,
What?
where we na?
We are in.
Where are we?
We are here.
In?
Attic.
Yeah, look,
Look.
the attic is cool. Attic,
How about
they
that?
call us attic cut,
How about
but it's marume.
Let's see the other
The other part,
of this world. Let's see the view.
we're just, I want to tour you in guide.
Yes, the view.
If you
Look at the views.
look at the abuse,
Abuses. There's no view.
there's no view. It's late night.
It's a plane.
Yeah. Look, it's in the attic. It's so cool.
So cool.
Then look at the stairs.
Serious upstairs.
The stairs. Then boom. There's nothing.
How about this outlet? What if I feel
How about that outlet?
you these two
um,
outstairs?
Hey, cousin, come here.
What's that?
Look at the mirror. It's
The mirror.
Choco.
The mirror itself says that we are
Choco. Look at the mirror, Coco.
Who's that goy?
Oh, who's that handsome one?
I don't believe that.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
You can do better than that.
What's that?
Who?
Help me. How to figure out that?
Dora.
Dora.
The Dora. Where? Oh,
I said
what? Is there something wrong?
we must go
Where?
to other part of this world.
Yeah, look at the mirror, Coco.
Try to figure this mirror. This look like the door of the Raymond. There's ipasok mo ang ulo mo.
Make your head come in. Okay.
Ay, nako.
We're sorry. We're slightly crazy.
Yes, crazy. Crazy cousin.
Crazy loves.
Crazy love. Crazy love.
Yeah.
How many megapixel that? 1 point
9.5 million megapixels.
million?
Yeah.
4.5
Max.
mmx. Betamax. What's your favorite movie?
Mob.
By the way,
Caramel.
caramel movie. I like chocolate movie. How about Chippy? What's your favorite
Chippy.
flavor?
The red one.
The barbecue
Yeah.
or regular?
Right. Medium.
I want extra large.
Extra large. What's your favorite book?
Favorite book?
Yeah. Booklet.
Booklet. Yes. My favorite book is booklet. It's like a small book.
It's like a pocket book or not?
It's like, but
Not.
not. It's like a book.
You're losing your temper again. Okay. You're losing your cool. Just relax. Inhale, exhale, inhale.
You first. One to out of your mouth. What's that phlegm?
Don't make me pahiya.
What's pahiya?
I'm not making you pahiya.
You light up my
Ang lamig.
Malamig talaga yan. Tingnan mo, nanginginig ka na sa ginaw. Ay, hindi pala, mainit. Nagpapawisa ka na. There's something wrong with you. Parang umutot ka. Umutot ka ba?
Why are you laughing?
Wala laughing. Hindi ka. Ang baho.
We're too noisy, okay? We need to sing, okay?
I'll sing first.
Chorus. It's
Oh,
like a
what?
singing bee in a Channel 7.
I thought
It's ABS,
Channel 4.
ABS-CBN Channel 7.
ABS. How about GMA Channel 2?
23.
QTV.
I like Pinoy Idol in Channel 23.
I love PBB in GMA.
Jimmy?
So, yeah. What song? Tagalog in English?
Anything. Anything you want.
Um,
I want Staglish.
oh man, it's great, but I can't sing Taglish. Taglish, I should say.
There's so many songs where Staglish formed.
Okay. Can I sing this song to honor my name? Hindi ko alam, I don't know that. Sorry. Sorry for disappointing you, Kasi, but I can't.
Just act. Do you have any talent besides?
My talent is sleeping, eating, making deposits to the bank of CR. Yeah. And how about you, Kasi?
Let's show to our televiewers your talent.
Hidden talent.
Yes, hidden talent.
I can eat live chicken. I can eat bottles of breakfast.
Can you act it?
And how? Sample it.
What? Don't eat my cell phone.
I'm tired.
Yes.
Well, I can try, but for you, cousin, I'll do this. For the sake of our cousin shit, yeah.
What?
Yeah. Why always me? You know, question.
How is the sun?
The sun's cool. Not hot. Not heat.
That is. How's your day?
How's my day?
Yeah.
It's like a rainy day.
Rainy day.
Sunday and winter day.
Can you rap?
What?
Rap. Yo, what's up, man?
Rap, baby, rap. Rap your body, rap. Break it down.
How about jazz?
Just put yourself and just tell me you love me.
Very good, Cassie.
Jazz.
You have a talent, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so talented. You need to excel.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So that can you sing on Beethoven?
Beethoven.
Yep.
Beethoven. Kasi, don't make me laugh.
I'm not making you laugh. I'm just laughing.
Other partners, anyway. Something wrong with me.
Yeah.
Something wrong with my voice.
No, nothing. No, I'm sorry for
I
that.
just want to share my knowledge. I want to share my
Sorry,
talent.
guys. It's my fault. You know, it's my fault.
You want me to sing Beethoven, so I just want to share my.
Sure. You want to sure?
Yes, please.
Wait. Sorry for interrupting.
Another
Another question.
question.
Another type of question. Okay, cousin, coming right up. Who is the best cousin of yours?
The best cousin of mine, or
Yup.
something you would trust for.
Layo. Oh, who? I'm asking if who?
All of my cousins.
Dear mo. Be serious. I'm not laughing.
People say that you're laughing.
This is so dramatically question. You know how to cook?
Yes! I like it.
If you want, we would, sorry for my wrong grammar. I love my grammar. Kuya Lon is calling us na, we need to eat na po.
Kakain lang po kami. Kakain kami yung dalawa ng pinsan ko sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya. Low. Chubika, low. And to see what's the gonna make me do the Bye-bye na! Bye-bye.